Alright, welcome once more. My name is Charles, and we are going on this exciting journey to coding. Yes, in the last video, we saw Avery joining our cat to walk. Okay, now if you remember, Avery and the cat were walking at exactly the same pace. Okay, so we saw it wasn't too cool, kind of. So we decided to make Avery a little slower. Okay, so how did we make Avery a little slower? If you look at the code for the cat, you would see that the cat still covers 500 500 on the x-axis, 500 coordinate points on the x-axis, but he does it 10 steps at a time in a repeat loop. He does it 50 times. Okay, so changing x by 10 makes the cat faster. Now let's look at Avery's speed. In that case, Avery moves 5 points at a time on the x-axis, and she does it 100 times. So both Avery and the cat cover our stage. They move from one part of the stage to the other. However, the cat is going to be faster than Avery, and yes, it was done on purpose. Okay, so it was intentional. Now let's take a look at how the code works. I'm going to click on go. Now can you see that the cat actually is faster than Avery, and it looks to me like the cat is going to go get across to the stage. He's going to get across the stage first, while Avery is still somewhere in the middle. Okay, but Avery is making some progress. So Avery finally gets across the stage. Yay! Awesome. Okay, so both of them start at the same time, but Avery gets across the stage at the time the cat gets there twice. Alright, guess what we're going to be doing in this video? We're going to get them talking. How about that? Alright, so remember this project, I call this project story time. Now, what's a good story without some words? Alright, now remember, Scratch has support for text to speech. Okay, but that's relatively supported on some systems, some operating systems. In this video, we would not be using the text to speech. However, we'll be using the normal say blocks. Okay, now let's see how to add the dialogues to our code. Now, in one of our earlier videos, among the first few videos we did, we talked about how to create a dialogue. Alright, now we said the dialogue was give and take, if you remember. Okay, really, if you've been watching these videos, thumbs up for you. I mean, you're really the MVP, you're the superstar. You make me want to do more videos. Thanks for watching, and remember, I wouldn't know if you're watching and if you like it or not if you don't subscribe, and tell your friends about it, and drop some comments too. Let me know you're there. Okay, alright, this is social media, you need to interact. Okay, now to do the dialogue, we need to do a give and take. Alright, so let's see who is going to start the conversation. Let's see, maybe we should make Avery start the conversation. Okay, so Avery is going to be saying, "Hey kitty cat, why are you walking so fast?" Okay, so how about that? So we're going to start with Avery. Alright, now for us to avoid cluttering up our walking animation, I'm going to have a separate when clicked block. Okay, and Ave is starting, so she's gonna be the first to talk. She's going to say, okay, she's going to say, "Hello, cat." Why are you walking so fast? Okay, that's an interesting question. Okay, and what will our cat say? I need to catch a bus. Sorry, Avery, but I need to catch a bus. Okay, okay. And then after she's done talking, you remember what we said, it's a give and take. So she's going to wait. Alright. She's going to wait. Let's give her 2 seconds. Hopefully the cat should be able to say all he needs to say in 2 seconds, right? Alright, so while she's waiting, the cat is going to be talking. So let's go to the cat code now. And we see our cat code right here. Now remember, the cat shouldn't be talking while Avery is talking. So we're going to have the cat waiting first. Alright, remember, it's a give and take. So while Avery is talking, the cat is waiting. Yes. Alright. So the next thing that's gonna happen is our cat will actually talk. Yes, our cat talks. Shh, don't tell anyone. Alright, so it says, "Hi, Avery." Sorry, I have to catch the bus. I have to catch the bus. Okay. Alright, so let's see. And after he's done talking, let's see how it plays out. Okay, so hello, cat. I have to catch a bus. Okay, so can you see that? Now Scratch is so interesting. Trust me, it is interesting. Now why did I say Scratch is so interesting? Can you see we have 2 when green flag clicked blocks, but Scratch executes both of them at the same time. Alright, now what I want to do is to make the conversation happen in such a way that it's more natural. Okay, so Avery seems to be saying something that's going to take more than 2 seconds to finish up. Okay, so I'm going to give her 4 seconds. Alright, and while she's talking, our cat has to wait. So our cat is going to wait for 4 seconds before he talks. Alright, and maybe we're going to equally make him talk for another 4 seconds, and that means Avery would have to wait for 4 seconds before she can say what she needs to say next. Alright, now let's see how Avery goes about that. Hello, cat. Why are you walking so fast? Hi, Avery. Sorry, I have to catch the bus. Alright, so you can see how interesting storytelling is. In the next video, we're going to explore this some more. Hope you catch it then.